Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Wednesday and I hope you're all having a great week. Well, today we are going to be working on the Plum Blossoms that I got from AliExpress a little bit ago, and I'm going to do something different. I already had 3 colors kind of started, like I finished over here, so I just started them a little bit further along. So we're just going to use those colors today. And the first color is number 704. Yeah, why not? It was all laid out for me. So, how's everybody doing? Are you getting through all the cold weather? I hope it's gone for just a bit, because I need a reprieve. Just been a little nuts here. Trying to pick something off and it wasn't. There we go. Yeah, last night was not bad at all. Not at all. And we're gonna move you forward and bring you down just so you can see what the heck is going on. And we'll move it over a tad. There we go. Now we're ready. Oh my. But today is my Friday. So, yay. Then I'll be off for 4 days. So hopefully I can get some good stitching time in the next 4 days. Yeah, that would be nice. No grand plans for this weekend. And today we do have an order, so we'll do that. That'll be fun times to be had by all. So, yay! Yeah, I'm ready for my weekend. I mean to tell you. Let's see, is there any more down here? I guess we'll go right here. And if anybody has any pictures they'd like to share, my email address is in the description box below. And it doesn't have to be cross-stitch. Just share what kind of crafts you do. We all love to look at everybody else's stuff. I think we're obsessed. So feel free to send a project that you're working on or a project that you finished, and I'll get it into the next Stitch with Me, or as soon, as possible. But I'll only share pictures in the Stitch with Me's. Hang on. Maybe I got it just a tad too close. Sometimes it gets too close. My bad. So as you can see, I've worked a little bit on this. I think I showed this to you on my floss tube yesterday. So I haven't stitched on it too much. Yesterday I stitched on the peacock pear. I started working in the upper left-hand corner, and that has that hanging pink flowers. I believe they're probably wisteria, but I'm not gonna say for sure because I don't know for sure. How's that? not real up on all different kinds of flowers everywhere. I know the ones that I absolutely adore, you know, like poppies and peonies and pansies. But, you know, didn't go too far. Oh, I do like roses too. Sorry, there's a lot of stopping and starting here, because this green is kind of here, there, and everywhere. Whoop, let's move the scissors before they fall on the ground. And the second color that I'm using is 3832. It's nice, pretty, kind of a, I don't know, it's kind of a medium salmon color, if you will. So yeah. I wish it'd get to be nice weather so my daughter and I could go out walking around. But it's just not too good for that kind of thing. And we never know when we're going to run into snow here, there, and everywhere. Basically where it hasn't melted off. And we can't go too far out of town, if you will, because there's still snow up there. So I guess we'll have to wait a few more months, and then we can just run around everywhere. But I am getting anxious to go do that. Oh, goodness. So what is everybody else working on, or do you have any plans for the weekend? This is our last Saturday in January. So we'll be having winter stitching on Saturday. Then we can go on to February. Hopefully February will be warmer than January. Might be able to get one more out of that. Maybe. But this is what I usually do if I'm trying to finish a space. I probably should have started with that little dot symbol. And that way that whole area would be finished. But I picked the easy button today. So I hope you all don't mind. Put that needle up there. And we'll get to this one. This one's kind of a pale rose color. I hope that it's picking it up. I had to see what symbol I was doing. Usually if I have thread left over, I just take it, you know, like that way or down, depending, you know, how the pattern looks. And go from there. But I was thrilled that it was like, I think maybe 16 degrees last night when I left work. It was a lot warmer than it was Monday night. Oh my goodness, I thought that car wasn't going to start. It was like 3 degrees, felt like minus 14. Yeah, it was just awesome. So, ready for some sunshine and warm weather. Warmer weather. I'm not a fan. It can snow all day, as far as I'm concerned. I'd rather drive in snow than have sub-zero weather. So. I don't know, how do you feel about that? Do you like cold weather, or do you like warm weather, or I don't know. I'm not a fan of really totally hot weather like we had in Kansas or Houston or Palm Springs. Palm Springs would have been about the worst place because it was like 100 degrees at midnight. I've never seen such a place in my life. It was something else. Kids couldn't even play outside. It was so hot there. Yeah, thank goodness we were only there 3 months. That was about enough. Totally. Whoops, gotta go the other way. I guess I'll just keep working on these blossoms like straight across. I don't know if I gotta finish that one symbol right there. That's gonna be 310 black, where you see that it kind of probably looks like black, but it's like a dark blue symbol. Oh, we got one more here. And then I don't know if I'm gonna outline any of these. We'll have to see how it goes and what it really, you know, looks like once you complete a section, if it needs it or not. Whoops, I guess I better leave a needle there. Let me turn it sideways. All right. Let me get you back down to ground zero there, but I think they're turning out really pretty. Now that background blue, let's see, what color was it? I've forgotten. It's 453. So it's kind of a muted color. I don't know if you'd call that a gray green or just what that color is going to look like. All right, guys. Well, thank you for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.